Welcome. I am now going to show you how to create a Google Calendar meeting step by step. Okay, let's try this again. So this is how one would create a Google Calendar meeting invite step by step. First, you would go to Create. Next, you would want to click on Event. Next, you would want to add a title for your meeting. So let's just call it Meeting with Mrs. K. Next, you would want to select the date. So I'd like to schedule this meeting for August 1st at 8 a.m. So you can just type in the time right there, 8 a.m. It automatically blocks off your schedule for an hour. If you wanted to make your meeting longer than that, you could extend the time. Let's say we wanted to make this a 3-hour meeting. You can click on 11 o'clock a.m. That would block off your schedule, as you can see here, from 8 until 11. If you'd like to add guests, you could click on this. I will send the meeting invite to myself, just as a test. Next, you would want to add a location. So we can just say Texas A&M. We'll use that as our meeting spot. And then you would last click Save. Would you like to send invitation emails to the Google Calendar guests? This would send them an invite via email. You want to click Send. Yes, you do. And that is all. And there you have it. Now you know how to quickly and efficiently create a Google Calendar invite for work, school, or any other social activities that you might need it for. I've used Google Organization in my role as a teacher for years, and it's worked out great. I've always liked Google. I hope this video can help anyone who's new to Google or just trying to figure out the software. Thank you.